These AI ads were created in less than 1 minute. No camera, no actors, no studio. With just Edimakor, you can easily make it happen. No more wasting time. Let's jump straight into it. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software. Method 1. Ad clone. Do you often see viral advertisements on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram? Edimakor can recreate a similar style for your own product automatically. Now launch Edimakor, and on the startup panel, you'll immediately see the new AI Ads section. After entering, select Ad Clone. This powerful tool allows you to import successful advertisement videos as references and automatically generate similar style ad videos for your own products. Upload your product image, adjust the resolution, aspect ratio, and audio settings. You can also describe your creative ideas here to further refine the final video style. Finally, click Generate. After a short wait, your viral product video will be generated. Method 2. Ads video. The second way to create viral AI ads is also very simple. Now, go to Ads Video provides 3 different ad creation modes, and for this tutorial, I'll use product character as the example. Then upload clear photos of both the product and the character model. After that, set the aspect ratio. Next, enter the dialogue or speaking script for the character. Inside the voice library, you'll find multiple languages and a wide variety of voice styles from different countries. Feel free to experiment and choose the voice that best matches your product's brand image. Finally, describe the adjustments or creative ideas you want for the video. Then click Generate.
Matte Classic Lipstick delivers application, rich pigmentation, and long-lasting wear. From the iconic chili brick red that adds a soft yet lively touch to the vintage True look, multiple shades are co-matte to complement every skin tone. The luxurious matte finish gives a high-end...
With Edimakor, you can create a viral advertisement for your own product in just a few minutes. Pretty easy, right? Give it a try and see the results. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.